Morning children, this is Sita. Welcome to IIT Chemistry 7th class. Children, November 14th online exam is there now. I think you know. Okay, 14th exam is there now. I teaching about revision class. How many concepts we have, children? 4 concepts. Second unit, 4 concepts. What is second unit? Classifications of elements. Classifications of elements. First concept, introduction of the classification of elements. Second concept, Mendeleev periodic table. Third concept, modern periodic table. Next fourth concept, periodic properties and what is periodicity and periodic properties. In your exam, 4 concepts is there, children. Already I give 2 times revision. Already one exam also you should write now. Okay, once again I revise 4 concepts, children. Listen properly. Okay. See now, first one, classifications of elements. Classifications of elements are 3 types: metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Okay, Nana. Those how many elements we have, children? 118 elements. 118 elements are arranged in modern periodic table. In first lesson, what is law? Dobernis-Stride law. What is Dobernis-Stride law, Nana? The average of the atomic weight of first and third element equals to second element. What is first example? Lithium, sodium, potassium. So lithium atomic number, atomic weight 7. Next, potassium atomic weight 39 equals to 23. The average of atomic weight of first and third element equals to second element. That is called as Dobernis-Stride law. Next, second example, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Bromine are equal second element. The atomic weight of second element are equals to the average of the atomic weight of second, first and third element. Cl plus I2 equals to chlorine atomic weight 35.5 plus iodine atomic weight 1.6.5 by 2. So near value got 81. So in this Dobernis-Stride law applicable for only few elements. Some examples only. With Dobernis-Stride law applicable for few elements. Next example, calcium, strontium, barium. Next example, sulfur, selenium, tellurium. Before class we have discussed, already we have done. Now we revise and practice. Third example, calcium, strontium, barium. Fourth example, sulfur, selenium, tellurium. What is Dobernis-Stride law? The atomic weight of first and third element equals to second element. Second law, what is second law? Newlands-Arkwright's law. What is Newlands-Arkwright's law? The properties of the first and eighth element closely resembles to the properties of first element closely resembles to eighth element. For example, musical instrument sounds, you know, children, that like that: lithium, sodium, potassium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Next example, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. Next example, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese. What is Newlands-Arkwright's law? The properties of the first element closely resembles to second element. The properties of first element closely resembles to second element. Musical instrument sounds, you know, na? Sari Rama Padnisa. That like that. First letters are harsh letters are. The properties of the first element closely resembles to eighth element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, eighth element. This is first element. This is eighth element. Next, once again, sodium onwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, what is Newlands-Arkwright's? The properties of the first element closely resembles to eighth element. This Newlands-Arkwright's applicable up to calcium only. These Newlands-Arkwright's applicable up to calcium only. So, up to calcium. This law applicable for up to calcium. Next, third law, Mendeleev periodic Mendeleev periodic table. What is Mendeleev periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of the elements arranged in depends upon the electronic configuration of. What is Mendeleev periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of the elements of the periodic functions of their atomic mass. The physical and chemical properties of the element of the periodic functions of their atomic mass is known as Mendeleev periodic table law. What is Mendeleev periodic table law? The physical and chemical properties of the elements of the periodic functions of their atomic number, are the periodic functions of their atomic mass. The physical and chemical properties of the element of the periodic functions of their atomic mass is known as Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table law. Mendeleev periodic table having 63 elements, 7 periods. 7 periods mean horizontal rows are called periods, vertical columns are called groups. 8 groups and 7 periods. 8 groups, 7 periods are arranged in horizontal rows. 8 groups are arranged in vertical columns. Okay, this is Mendeleev periodic table law. Mendeleev periodic table having 63 elements divided into some A groups, some. Mendeleev periodic table having 63 elements, 7 periods, 8 groups. Okay, horizontal rows are called periods, vertical columns are groups. Next, Mendeleev periodic table, left side some gaps is there. That gaps filled in newly invented elements. That elements are called eka boron. Eka means single. Eka boron means scandium. Eka aluminum means gallium. Eka silicon, germanium. Eka manganese, technetium. Eka boron, scandium. In Mendeleev periodic table, left side having some gaps. In that gaps filled in newly invented elements. How many newly invented elements? 4 elements. Boron, eka boron means scandium, eka aluminum, gallium, eka silicon, germanium, eka manganese, technetium. Keep in your mind 4 elements. Next, what is n molar space? Generally, in Mendeleev periodic table, elements are always arranged. Atomic number is increased. Atomic mass also increase. What is Mendeleev periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of the element are the periodic functions of their atomic mass. So, in Mendeleev periodic table, always arranged. Atomic number is increased. Atomic mass also increase. According to except these 3 pairs, atomic number is increased, but atomic mass is decreased. This space is called as anomalous space. For example, argon, potassium. Which one more atomic number? Argon to potassium, atomic number is increased. Argon 18, potassium 19. Atomic number is increased, but atomic mass is decreased. 39.94, here 39.10, somewhat decreased. That is called as, this is one of limitation of Mendeleev periodic table. Limitation of Mendeleev periodic table. What is first limitation? Anomalous space. What is anomalous space mean? The atomic number is increased, atomic mass also increase. But we accept limitation of the Mendeleev periodic table. Atomic number is increased, atomic mass also decrease. Here cobalt to nickel, atomic number is increased, but atomic mass also mass is decreased. Here technetium to iodine, atomic number is increased, atomic mass decrease. Atomic mass decrease. Here 127.6, here 126.9. This is limitation of Mendeleev periodic table. Important limitation, keep in your mind. Next modern periodic table. We are discussed now modern periodic table. Modern periodic table. I draw rough diagram. Modern periodic table. In modern periodic table, this is rough diagram of modern periodic table. Now listen properly. In modern periodic table, so how many groups, how many periods we have? groups. 7 periods, 18 groups. 7 periods mean horizontal rows are called periods, vertically columns are called groups. From periods mean from left to right, groups mean top to bottom. So here 18 groups are divided into two subgroups, some A groups, some B groups. 8 A groups and 10 B groups. Keep in your mind, horizontal rows are called periods, vertical columns are called groups. Okay? How many periods we have, children? 7 periods, 18 groups. 7 periods, 18 groups. 18 groups are divided into subgroups, 8 A group and 10 B groups. Next, in the modern periodic table divided into 4 blocks. S block elements, D block elements, S block elements, P block elements, D block elements and F block elements. S block elements are present in left side of the periodic table. P block elements present in right side of the periodic table. D block elements arranged in bottom of the periodic table. Next, F block elements are arranged in middle of the periodic table. F block elements are arranged in bottom of the periodic table. In modern periodic table divided into 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block and F block. S block elements are present in left side of the periodic table. D block elements are arranged in middle of the periodic table. F block elements are arranged in right side of the periodic table. F block elements are arranged in bottom of the periodic table. S and P block elements, except here 0 group elements is there now. 0 group elements. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. 0 group elements, except 0 group elements, S and P block elements are called representative elements. Except 0 group elements, remaining S and P block elements are called representative elements. D block elements are called transitional elements. F block elements are called inner transitional elements. F block elements are divided into 2 periods: lanthanides and actinoids. Lanthanides and actinoids. Lanthanides and actinoids. Lanthanide elements are called as rare earth metals. Actide elements are called radioactive elements. Next, now information about periods. How many periods we have? 7 periods. How many periods? First period, second, third, fourth. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. How many groups we have? How many periods we have, children? 7 periods. 6, 7. 7 periods. 7 periods rows are called periods. Periods are arranged in periodic table left to right. In first period having how many elements? 2 elements, hydrogen and helium. First period is called shortest period. First period is called shortest period. Second period having how many elements? Here lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Okay. How many elements in a second period? Beryllium, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, calcium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Okay, second period having how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First period having 2 elements is called shortest period. Next, second and third period having 8 elements is called short period. Short period. Next, fourth and fifth. Fourth and fifth. First period periods we have children? 7 periods. 7 periods are arranged in periodic table. First period having 2 elements is called shortest period. Second and third period having 8 elements is called short period. Fourth and fifth period is called as 18 elements is called long period. Sixth period having 32 elements is called longest period. Seventh period having 31 elements is called incomplete period. That is information about periods. Next we are discussed about information about groups. How many groups we have children? 18 groups. 18 groups are divided into some 2 subgroups. How many groups are 18? 18 groups. 18 groups divided into 2 subgroups. How many subgroups? 8 A groups, 10 B groups. 8 A groups, 10 B groups. First A group, second A, third A, fourth A, fifth A, sixth A, seventh A, and eighth A. 8 A elements are called zero elements, inert gases, halogens, noble gases. So many names we have. So 8 A groups. How many B groups? Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, nickel, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. In middle 10 groups. Here first B, second B, third B, fourth B, fifth B, sixth B, seventh B. Here 3 groups are subgroups. 8 groups, subgroups. 3 groups are subgroups. This is modern periodic diagram of modern periodic table. Modern periodic table having 18 groups. Vertical columns are called as groups. How many subgroups? 2 subgroups. A groups 8, B groups 10. First A group elements are called alkali metals. First A group elements are called alkali metals. Second A group elements are called alkali earth metals. Third A group elements are called boron family. Fourth A group elements are called carbon family. Fifth A group elements are called nitrogen family. Nitrogen family another name pictogens. Pictogens. P silent here. Pictogens. Next oxygen family another name chalcogens. Chalcogens. Fourth, seventh group elements halogens. Halogens. Eighth group elements names zero group. Next noble gases, inert gases. Next halogens. 4 names is there. First group elements is called alkali metals. Second group elements alkali earth metals. Boron family, carbon family. First group elements are called alkali metals. Second group elements are called alkali earth metals. Third group elements boron family. Fourth group elements carbon family. Fifth group elements nitrogen family another name nitrogens. Oxygen family. Sixth group elements oxygen family another name chalcogens. Last group halogen family, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, additive. Okay ma, last group 8 group element halogen family. Helium, how many elements we have? 6 noble gas is there no? Helium, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Okay, last group elements having 4 names: noble gases, inert gases, halogens, noble gases. Zero group, noble gases, inert gases, halogens. Keep in your mind 4 names nana. Okay, this is information about groups. Okay, next concept what children? Modern periodic table over. Next concept is Mendeleev periodicity. What is periodicity and periodic properties? What is periodicity and periodic properties? What is periodic periodicity and periodic properties. Periodicity and periodic properties. Periodicity means what is periodic law, the physical and chemical properties of the elements directly or indirectly depending upon the electronic configuration of the element. Next, what is periodicity? For example, the system at having regular intervals. What is that intervals? 2, 8, 18, 18, 32. Those are regular intervals. The regular intervals are called as periodicity. For example, first group hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. How is write electronic configuration and how is find atomic number? Hydrogen atomic number 1. If you had 2, got 3. If you had 8, next atomic number 11. If you had next 8, potassium atomic number 19. Next if you had 18, next atomic number 37. 37. If you know first in group wise, first element atomic number you know. According to this periodic cities, that mean intervals. According to these intervals, easily write atomic number and find it. Next, periodic properties. How many periodic properties we have, children? 7 periodic properties. What is first property? Atomic radii or atomic size. Second property, ionization energy. Third property, electron gain enthalpy. Fourth property, electropositivity. Fifth, electronegativity. Sixth, oxidation states. Seventh, valency. Okay, how many periodic properties we have, children? 7 periodic properties. In periodic properties, having some factors. 2 factors. First factor, screening effect. Screening effect or shielding effect. Shielding effect. Screening effect or shielding effect. Screening effect depends upon the inner electrons. If inner electrons is increases, keep in your mind this point, inner electrons is increases, inner electrons is increase, screening effect also increase. Screening effect also increase. Inner electrons is increases, screening effect also increase. Screening effect depends upon the inner electrons. Screening effect depends upon the inner electrons. What is screening effect? In a multi-electron system, the attraction between the nucleus to outermost shell. The attraction between the nucleus to outermost shell is somewhat decreased. Why? Because due to screening effect, here inner electrons is there, no? Electron to electron repulsion takes place. That's why size increase. Size increase, there is no attraction between the nucleus to outermost shell. Outermost shell. Keep in your mind this point. Inner electrons is increases. Screening effect also increase. Screening effect depend upon the inner electrons. Okay, Nana? Next, second property is effective nuclear charge. Effective nuclear charge. Effective nuclear charge. What is effective nuclear charge? Effective nuclear charge. Effective nuclear charge depends upon the screening effect. Due to screening effect, effective nuclear charge decrease. Nuclear charge decrease. Due to screening effect, nuclear charge decrease. There is no screening effect, nuclear charge increase. Why? Because the attraction between the nucleus to outermost somewhat increase. Due to screening effect, nuclear charge decrease. Therefore, Z equals to Z star minus sigma. Here Z equals to effective nuclear charge, Z star equal to actual screening constant. Okay, Nana, all of you learn properly these four concepts. First concept, classifications of elements. First concept, introduction of the classification of elements, Doubendis law, Newland-Sachs law, Mendeleev periodic table, modern periodic table, and what is periodicity and periodic properties. Okay, now November 14th format assignment 1 exam is there, children. Learn properly and try it worksheet bits. Thank you. All the best. See you next class.